In this video, we are going to talk about switching hands in CS2. Following the release of CS2 on the screens of millions of players, it's clear that there is a significant demand for a left-handed view among the CS2 players. As a default setting, in CS2, all players are configured to have the right-handed view. This means that your player character will hold the weapons on the equipment in the right hand. It is not clear why Valve actually removed this option to switch hands in CS2, which was previously possible in the old CSGO with the CL_right hand 0 command. As you can see, if you write this command in CS2 in the console, it won't work anymore. And even if you write CL_right hand true or false, it still won't work. But can you actually switch hands in CS2? Well, at the time of this video, it is actually not possible to switch hands in CS2. However, most likely the CS2 developers will add back the CL_right hand command to switch hands in CS2 because this is a very requested command from the CS2 players. Many speculate that the reason might be because the Valve developers are working on a proper settings for a view model change. With that in mind, I will update you guys with a new video as soon as I will have a new info about switching hands in CS2. Thank you for watching. I hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.